Well, as you can tell, it is definitely the Christmas season, although we don't have any snow here yet. But last week I did that carving video with this little Happy Christmas tree. So I decided to take that down to its smallest form and do a little pendant Happy Christmas tree. And then I got bored and I went and I turned a little piece of spalted maple and made a little Christmas tree on the lathe. So there's only one logical conclusion left to do, and that would be to turn this chunk of utility pole into a Christmas tree. So I'm going to grab my chainsaws and get set up, and we'll make a nice little Christmas tree out of this baby. Good. Well, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I lost the pattern a few times, but be gentle. This is the first time I've ever done this, so anyway, I'm gonna clean it all up. I don't think I'm gonna burn it like I used to do the other stuff. I'll just a little bit of texture is okay. I'll get out the paint and do some painting on it, but I think overall it's okay. I think after it's painted, it'll look better too. So there it is. The only purpose for the brown is to get underneath. It creates all the shadows and texture underneath, and that way I'm going to paint the green down, and that should really highlight the layers of the boughs. Time for the green. What do you think? Well, that looks way better. Way better. Here. Alright guys, I think my tree is done. I think it looks alright for the first time. I got a couple ideas for the next one that would be make it a little bit better. But yeah, kind of looks like a tree. Well, that's it. I'll take it home to the mama, give my kiss, and carry on to the next thing. So as always, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. See you guys.